Hi guys, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest recipe of how to make crunchy mandazis at home. So keep on watching. So start by adding all-purpose flour into a bowl, then add baking powder and baking soda, cardamom powder, sugar, and then you're going to give that a good mix before going in with your margarine that you're going to just rub it in. And the ingredients will be on the description box, so be sure to check that. After mixing the ingredients, go ahead and add 1 egg, then take a whisk. You can use a fork, and you're going to mix that very well. And after that, you're just going to go in with your hands to do the mixing even better. And I'd like to mention that I was using warm water and I used 3/4 cups of that. So just go ahead and add the water, then go ahead and start kneading your dough. And I used warm water. You can use cold water, whichever you prefer. Now the dough is ready. And guys, like I said, this is the easiest recipe, so you do not have to keep kneading for so long. Leave it to rest for 5 minutes, and 5 minutes later you're going to check your dough, cut it into two like you see on the video. And it is not so soft and neither is it too hard, because I liked to make mandazis that were not so soft on the inside. I just wanted that crunch, if you get what I mean. So it's time to shape, and you can shape your mandazis however you'd like, and remember not to cut them too thin. We'd like them to be like the half cake sizes, so you can see the sizes that I preferred. Go ahead and then cut them like you see here. I cut mine into rectangle shapes, and then you're going to put them into not very hot oil, because remember they are thick and you'd like them to cook on the inside. And this recipe takes not more than 20 minutes of your time to prepare, meaning you can make it for breakfast, for snacking, or whenever you miss something crunchy for you or for your family. So just go ahead and keep turning until the mandazis are golden brown. And once the mandazis are golden brown, you're just going to scoop them from the hot oil, place them on a kitchen towel or a kitchen serviette just to drain off excess oil, and this is what we get. So like you can see, they were very lovely golden brown in color. Just going to cut one to show you that they were fully cooked on the inside. And it's that easy, guys. Use any flavor that you like. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.